everyone, my name is Viridiana here at the Children's Museum of Houston. Today I have a very fun activity that involves the kitchen. We will be making Cat in the Hat inspired Dr. Seuss kebabs because Dr. Seuss' birthday is on March 2nd. So come and join me so we can make these wonderful Cat in the Hat kebabs. These are the supplies that you need: some marshmallows, a plate, strawberries, some bananas, a knife, some skewers, and a plate to display your kebabs. Alright, first thing you need is you need to peel your banana and cut a portion of your banana. Make sure if you're going to use a knife, you ask for help, or you can use a plastic knife the way I'm using one. Next, you're going to cut your banana into pieces, not too small and not too big. Next, you need to cut your strawberry. If your strawberry at the very end has a corner that looks like a triangle, make sure you keep that part because that will be the top of your Cat in the Hat. Once that's cut, cut the pieces the way you cut your banana. Once that's done, you're gonna need your marshmallows. And on your marshmallows, you will draw a Cat in the Hat face. Make sure you use an edible marker to draw these faces the way I did here. Once you have everything ready, grab one of your skewers and you're gonna put your marshmallow first. Next, you're gonna grab one piece of your banana, one piece of your strawberry. Make sure you don't grab the triangle portion of it. Another piece of banana, and the very top of the strawberry to make a hat. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you'd like to see more videos, hit that subscribe button down below, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!